Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to import MP3 videos, TV shows, your photos, any MS Word file in the folder that you would like to import from your computer to an iPhone device. You can have by virtue of iTurn easily. So let's see, for example guys, here see this is MP3. Here more MP3 I would like to have in my iPhone device. So what I will do here, simply I have to install the iTurn in your PC or laptop. So I have already installed, and also download link I have given below the description box. Check it out, and if you click there directly you will be able to download. After installing the iTurn in your PC or laptop, you have to go for an as administrator, and then you have to come in a file. Before coming the file, you will have to connect your data cable from iPhone device to a PC, and after connections, just you have to click on file to add file library, and here just I will go for wherever I have saved my MP3 song that I would like to import. So in my computer, so this one I have here saved, so this one I would like to have. So there's three, so just I will select, and separately also guys, if you would like to only three you would like to show 3 and 2, so just hold your control button and select, and then just go for open. Now it will start to add, and after adding it will reflect here there's blue sign color, it will reflect, it will be highlighted guys. Then simply you have to go for sign, so it will start to import in your iPhone device easily. Let's see, I will show you here. Now see, it has started to copy diagnostic information. After this it will start to import from your library to your iPhone simply. So let's see. Similar procedure you have to implement to import any videos, any books, any PDF, any Microsoft file in the folder. So now see guys, it has started to copy and now finish it is. So here just I will now see guys, this both came here now. Similarly, just if you would like to have the videos, if you would like to import the video in a file, in a folder if you would like to. So let's see, I will have in a folder. In a folder, simply just I will go for selection of videos. See guys, directly whole video folder that you would like to import, you can just select and go for OK. So select a folder, whole folder will be added in your iTunes library. At the moment I am not going to add, just I will separately according to my own choice I will select in the video song. So what I will do here, just once again I will go for file to add file to a library, and I will go for here video selections. So I will come here and I will select according to my own choice. So just I will hold the control button of a computer and I will select, and after selections just I will go for OK now. So it has started to add. Now it's added because of it has highlighted. Now simply I have to see guys, if you are importing MP3 then you have to highlight this one's music. If you are importing videos you have to highlight on movies. So now I have selected movies, and If you would like to have the all that video you have added in a iTurn library, just you have to select here all, otherwise recently 1, 2, 3 according to your own choice. So I have selected all automatically included. Just I will go for sign now. Just I will open my here video player and I will see that it's coming or not. Now see, it has started to once again copy diagnostic information. After that it will start to import. So I will have to wait here. Similar procedure, any PDF, any file folder that you would like to. So see guys here. Now see, it has started to import guys. Now see, this all video has started to import now. Similar procedure that you would like to import a book, yeah, just audiobooks, your voice memos. So according to your own utilization, of course guys, you can import any song, any videos, any voice memos, yeah, any of course photos, albums that you would like to import from your computer to in any iPhone device. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. How to like this video tutorial? Don't forget, leave the comment below the comment box as a feedbacks. And also if this video has acknowledged to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much. Have a great time.